This screencast is to demonstrate a little bit of information about the Unit 1 exam. So you can see here I am acting as a student completing the exam. The first 7 questions ask you to read the paragraph and answer the questions appropriately. It's not necessarily matching, but you are using these multiple choice questions. So those are the first 7 questions that are listed there. The next set of questions requires you to choose the correct subject pronoun. So your subject pronouns are your things like yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, vosotros, and ellos, ellas, ustedes. So when you see the form of the verb ser or the form of the verb given like es or son, you need to select what would go with it. So for this example, it would be, if it would be yo, this would need to be soy. Then, there are a couple of questions that are like that. Then we come on to question 14 where you see I am. So it says fill in the blank matching the subject form with the pronoun and ser. So for I am, you would need to select yo soy. So you're using the correct subject pronoun along with a form of the verb. So that's how the next ones go. So you're using soy, eres, somos, soy, son. Now at the bottom here, so we're going to just keep going here so you can see the instructions, fill in the form of verb ser. So the next ones, starting with question 20 and moving on, have the verb practicar, bajar, comer. All of these verbs in parentheses, you're going to conjugate them in the present tense. So for this one where it says copiar, you'll take off that AR and add an ending when referencing ellos. So that is how the remaining questions more or less go, with a verb in parentheses along with what you're going to place inside of the blank. So the next ones have to do with adjectives, and I'll review on adjectives about how everything has to match. So we have mis amigos son. You need to select the best answer. So mis amigos is plural as well as masculine. So right away this first one with ordenadas is out because this is feminine. This one here, ordenados would work, pacientes would work, but not gracioso. So you need 3 adjectives that would match who it's talking about. And that's how the remaining questions here go. So if you have any questions about the exam, please let me know, and keep in mind there are multiple attempts.